Duodata is a platform to manage definitions of metrics and KPIs that are relevant to your business in one place, instead of various wikis, documents, emails, tickets, and more often than not, just in code. With metrics, slices, reports, and sources, we have developed and refined a concept that is easy enough for non-technical people to understand, but powerful enough to provide precise definitions. Business users can define the metrics that they care about, and our AI assistant helps them to create valid, hardened definitions. Getting to those calculation rules and validating them with business stakeholders is often the largest time sink in any data platform implementation. For each metric, we capture its basic information and manage its lifecycle. Thanks to AI guidance, the definitions and descriptions are validated from the get-go. Responsibilities, such as the ownership of a definition, can be tracked here. And most importantly, Duodata ensures that we have a valid, precise definition of every metrics formula, which then also gives us lineage information. Which other metrics do we need to calculate this metric? Additionally, through tracking the impact of metrics on each other, we have the organization's complete value driver tree, which lets us find any white spots or redundancies in our metrics coverage. For each metric, we capture how it can be sliced, which feeds into the dimensional modeling on the data platform. We also show which reports specific metrics can be found in. In this way, Duodata is not just a tool to define metrics, but also to discover metrics and create transparency what metrics on specific reports actually mean. And with sources, we define where the underlying data of metrics is coming from. Does your report show revenue numbers from the CRM system, the billing system, or the accounting system? We have built a deep integration with Databricks, which allows you to keep the definitions of your metrics in sync with their implementations on the platform. Once you connect Duodata to your Databricks instance, you connect the metric definitions to their implementations on Databricks, be it in queries, notebooks, or also Unity Catalog metrics. This ensures your business definitions and your implementation stays in sync. A metric net claims ratio is implemented in a notebook. We can link the implementation and it is now governed. We have a deep link to the implementation in Databricks. Let us also check our customer satisfaction score. Which we have also implemented in a notebook. There's a formula error here. Let's click it. Looks like someone missed a denominator. We can copy the suggested SQL, go straight to Databricks, and fix the calculation. There you are. Finally, we can also connect reports to the implementation of dashboards on Databricks. We found this dashboard and we can link to its implementation. And finally, we also use AI to let users discover the definitions of metrics. How do we measure customer satisfaction? We get the link to the definition and its underlying sources. And thanks to our integration with Databricks Genie, we can even ask questions about the actual data. What's our current net claims ratio? Our current net claims ratio is 0.13. Let's check it out on the Databricks dashboard that we linked to before. It's correct.